What this neighborhood means to me is everything. This neighborhood taught me what life is.
Gelato makes happy people, so I want to make people happy.
From here, you can go anywhere. The first thing to make your dream come true is to take yourself out of your way. I'm still like Dorothy on the yellow brick road. I'm just as happy every day when I come in here. The process of making the ice cream is to, first and foremost, keep it as simple as possible. So I use milk, cream, sugar, eggs, salt, and then I add natural ingredients from there on. Just staying with those humble ingredients gives you such great taste and flavor. And so that's why I've never strayed from keeping it as simple as possible. Well, the journey to getting Mikey Likes It Ice Cream on the map is hard work, dedication, perseverance, persistence, taking a good idea and continue working it until it's perfect, which nothing can be perfect, you know. As a child, I always had some sort of hustle mentality to myself. Throughout the years, I had an Aunt Lucy, and I would have to actually go to cooking class with her after school because my parents were at work. And that's where I started learning how to cook. And then my aunt passed, and when she passed, I was cleaning up the apartment. I found like a book that had her recipe that she would just have in there, and one of them was a vanilla ice cream recipe. When I decided that night, I was like, hey, let me try to make vanilla ice cream. And I didn't have any ice cream machine, anything. I just gave it a shot, and it was really bad. And I was just like, I can do better than this, you know? So I ended up doing some research, went to Bed Bath & Beyond, bought a Cuisinart tabletop machine. I ordered different types of vanillas that I was looking at online, and then all of a sudden, it started to work. The machine was making the better ice cream. I was able to pair different vanillas together, then vanilla was born. What goes on in my head when I develop recipes, really just energy. What I do is I put music on of the talent that I'm thinking of, and I just let it go. And as I'm thinking of the flavor, I just let it come to me. And as I taste, you know, it's a feeling thing. So as you feel good and you taste something good, you're like, all right, cool. The role pop culture plays is everything. Pink Floyd was born through the concept of thinking of New York. When you look at New York, what's synonymous with New York? Cheesecake. So I went down to Junior's one day and got a strawberry cheesecake. My mind was blown, and I was like, wow, this is fresh strawberries on top of a great cooked cheesecake. So I was like, that gotta be the strawberry here. Yes, we can be. Things can go great and things can go just as bad. Stay positive and keep people in the right direction, let's say. Music drives us. You're upset. You put on something, it changes your mind and it lifts you up, gives you some self-esteem. It's something that brings life to people. The history that